Due to the graphic nature of this program, listener discretion is advised.
Welcome back, Diecast OutKast, episode 42. Today we're going to do a custom duster. We're going to dub it the Pineapple Express. I'm not even 100% sure where I got this. This is probably in a garage sale box or something. But I'm a big fan of the Mopar A bodies, which is the Dart, Dusters, Valiants, Demons, Dart Sport, the little A body cars. I have a 72 Dart Swinger myself. And this little Hot Wheels looks like it is a play off of the original Hot Wheels spoiler cars that was came out in the late 60s, early 70s in the Redlines. So we're going to go ahead and get started and drill this thing apart. Stepped up to a larger size drill bit to pop the head off the post. This car's been played with a little bit. You can see there's some rust in the axles there. I'm going to pop the wheels off because we're not going to use those. But other than that, it's in pretty good shape. There's no major issues in the body, and the glass is good. Interior's alright. No problems here. The engine in this one is metal, so we're going to have to drill it out as well. What I'm using is a 256 tap these posts out, and here in a second you'll see where I had to drill farther in the front post and went through my finger. Do as I say, but don't do as I do. Now you're going to see me fumble around with these screws here trying to put them in and videotape at the same time. It's not as easy as you guys think it is, but it's still fun. Make sure you guys watch the video to the very end. We have a Redline challenge coming up, and I'm going to give you the information and the list of the people that's doing it, so I really appreciate all the support, and it's going to be a great time. So I bought these decals from Kenny Terry, and I had every intention of putting them on this car. After I painted it, I sent a picture over to Funky at Scale Street Garage and asked him what he thought, and he said, man, the car looks good, don't put any decals on it. So, you know, I took his advice and I didn't do it. I'll use those decals in a different vehicle coming up. Did a real quick wheel swap. I had real riders in the back, and then we used some M2 wheels for the front. Right now I'm just test fitting, make sure everything fits right. Look at the stance on that, man, that is killer. Now we're going to throw her in the citrus strip and strip her on down. I left her in there for about an hour and come back and the paint is just peeling right off. This stuff works awesome if you have the time to wait for it. After rinsing it off and going over it with a brass brush, it turned out really nice. The casting is a great casting. So today I want to try out one of my new colors. It is a Createx Pearl Pineapple paint. That's where we got the name Pineapple Express. This is a water-based paint. I primered it with some gray Rust-Oleum primer and then went over it with about 3 coats of the Pineapple Pearl, and this is what it turned out like. Took some time and polished up the glass. Now we're going to dip it into Pledge Floor Care, give it that nice new shine. And here's all the pieces laid out. I got the body done, cleared it with some 2K clear, did all the little details, turn signals, the spoiler, engine compartment, so on and so forth. When I did the base, I took a Sharpie, the silver Sharpie, and did the bumpers front and back to simulate that it is a fiberglass bumpers that somebody painted silver. Just cleaned up the interior a little bit, and then there is our nice new looking glass. I'm going to screw it all back together with 256 screws that we tapped the holes out earlier with. So now we're going to give you an insight to what it looked like when we first started. A little play-worn duster. There's quite a few of us content creators working hard to get some extra videos out while we're quarantined and having to stay inside, so make sure you go through the list and look up all your favorites. Make sure you subscribe, like, send us a comment, let us know what you think. And here is the result. 1970 to 72 Plymouth Duster, Pineapple Express, little street car. I'm extremely happy how this turned out. The paint turned out good. It was just an experiment to see what it looked like, and I'm very pleased with it. I'll also be posting 2 more videos this weekend. I am doing the race car challenge for Deep Junk Garage and the 3 Blind Mice GTO this month. So we'll have plenty of content for you to watch. Like I said, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. Let us know what you think. And stay tuned so you can get some information on the Redline challenge that we're doing.
They're the fastest metal cars you've ever seen. Mattel's new Hot Wheels. Collect them by themselves or get them in wild new action sets like the Drag Race action set, the Stunt action set, the Hot Curves race action set. Get Mattel's new Hot Wheels. The fastest metal cars you've ever seen.
What's up, everybody? This is Diecast OutKast here. We're going to do a challenge for National Redline Day. May 18th, 1968 was the day that Hot Wheels released the first Redlines Sweet 16 cars. So I'm going to issue this challenge, and all you got to do is either restore or do a custom on a Redline from 1968 to 1977. You get bonus points if it is a Sweet 16 from 1968, which is what you're seeing here on the screen. Rules are simple. Build a Redline Hot Wheels. Email me at diecast_outkast@yahoo.com so I can keep track of everybody. And if you don't mind, send me any more social media that you have, and I will add it to the list of people that is doing the challenge. You can catch me on YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. Stay tuned for updates. This is going to be a fun build.
Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey.